Still learning how to make these videos, but I wanted to show a way to remove the tamper resistant plug over the IMS screw, or idle mixture screw, on a Harley CVH carburetor. As you can see, it's right there. A lot of people will drill that out from the top, but when you do that, you're potentially going to damage the mixture screw. So to avoid that, I recommend drilling from the side. Scribe a mark roughly 4 millimeters up. I've used a 3/32 drill bit, drilled through one side of the tower. You can then take a drill that you use to drill the hole and simply pry out the plug, and you don't have to worry about doing any damage to the screw. Another simple approach would be just to cut this right off, roughly 4 millimeters up, removing the tower, part of the tower and the plug. I like to keep the tower just to protect the screw more. Never run your screw out more than 3 to 3.5 turns. You'll lose spring force and it'll potentially drop out. The screw and assembly should look like this. There should be a spring, a flat washer, and an O-ring at the top where the screw seats into the body of the carb. If you remove your screw and you don't have all those parts, I've made this tool, just a piece of wire, hard wire, with a small bend on the end to grab the washer and the O-ring. That's it.